أهلا بكم في قناة IT Support.
Before I jump into my technical questions, I'd like to know a bit more about you. Tell me why you're interested in this position.
When I came into college, I was a pre-med major, and eventually I led down the path to take an Introduction to IT course. After that course, I realized how impactful IT was, and I became more curious to how computers work and why do they break. So I changed my major to IT after that class. After 2 years of being in the major, I got a job at the IT Service Center where I was able to help students with their computer issues. So I believe having this job will allow me to advance my knowledge and troubleshooting skills, and then also I'll be able to learn new things.
Cool. Can you tell me what in particular you find appealing about IT?
I like IT because it allows me to be very creative, and then also allows me to hone in on those problem-solving skills. I also like IT because it's very broad, so I feel like the trajectory of my career could be in multiple IT fields, such as database management, software engineering, IT support, and networking.
That's awesome. All right, well, let's get started with our first question then. Let's say that you're the only person supporting a help desk and you're currently helping me with an issue when a VP walks in and they ask you for help and they say they have a presentation to give in 15 minutes. How would you handle this situation?
So I want to prioritize the issues based on severity. It seems like the VP issue is a little bit more time sensitive, so I would ask you if it's okay if I would help out the VP.
Okay, that's fair. I'm okay with that. Now, how would you help the VP?
So I would want to get the VP up and running as soon as possible, so I will offer them a spare laptop, and then in the meantime, I'll be able to fix their computer while they're at their meeting.
Okay, great. So now let me rewind for a second. Let me change things up. So what if you were helping me and my issue was actually very critical and it was part of a larger issue that was affecting a number of users? Say maybe our wireless network was having issues. How would you handle that?
So if I was able to help the VP right away, by offering a spare laptop, then I would do that. But if that's not the case, then I have to let the VP know that the issue that I'm dealing with is a little bit more severe because it affects the business. And I would hope the VP will be a little bit more understanding, and I would probably have to have a coworker come on and help the VP, or I could tell the VP to probably reschedule their meeting if that's possible.
Okay, great. Yeah, I think that's fair. And you're right. We should take into account what's most important to the business in that type of scenario. So good job.
وهنا ينتهي مقطع اليوم. أتمنى أنه نال إعجابكم، ولا تنسوا الاشتراك في القناة ليصلكم كل جديد. شكرا لكم.